Okay, so right now we reach to the point of negative x minus half x, which is negative 1x minus half x, which is equals to negative 1.5 or negative 3 over 2. Okay, and then I can multiply both sides by a negative, so I can get rid of the negative sign like this. I will multiply by negative both sides, so I will get rid of the negative. And then I will multiply by the reciprocal all of the equations. So it will be x equals to 7 multiplying by 2 divided by 3, as you see. Okay. So here I move the 2 in the other side by multiplication, and I move the 3 to the other side by division. And then here I have, it's 14 over 3. 14 over 3, so I got the x, which is equals to 14 over 3. This is the point of the intersection. The x-coordinate of it is 14 over 3, which is equals to 4.6666, which means that this point, the coordinate of this point, on the x-axis will be the 4.6666. Okay? If you want to get the y-coordinate of this point, you will see that the y-coordinate of this point will be substituting anyone, even here or there. Okay? So it will be negative 14 over 3. I substitute in this one. Plus 4, I will got the y of this coordinate. So I will got the y of this point. Clear? Clear?
Clear.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. Okay. So in this question, I'm asking you, the following system of inequalities is graphed in the xy plane above. By the way, this is quadrant number 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Okay? I have two systems of equations. Okay? I have inequalities. Okay? Which quadrant contains solution to the system of equation? He is asking me, which quadrant of those contains the solution for the system of inequalities here? So first of all, I have to go to the first equation. The first equation is y greater than negative 3x plus 1. So first of all, I have a slope which is negative 3. So the line I'm going to draw right now is going up or down?
Down.
It's
Down.
going down because the slope is negative. And at what point do the line intersect the y-axis?
1.
It's at 1. So I'm sure that the line will hit the y-axis at 1, and this line is going downward, like this, right? Sorry, here. It will be like this. Okay? And what is the meaning of y is greater than? Y is greater than means what?
Above the line.
Yeah, I will target the region above this line. So all the region above this line will apply with me. Okay, I finished the first line. What about the second line? The second line is 2x minus 3. What is the meaning of 2? The slope is positive, so I have to draw the other line. It's going up or falling down?
Up.
It's going up and it hits the y-axis at
-3.
-3. So let us say that this is the -3, and this line is going up like this. Okay. And what about the y greater than? What is the meaning of y greater than? Huh? Huh?
Above the line.
It's above the line, like this. All of this, all of this, all of this. Okay. So, which quadrant solution will be? Which quadrant the intersection between the two areas will be? As you see, you will find that I have here intersection between them, right? And also here, huh? Am I right? Ya shabab. You hear me?
Yeah.
I have here intersectional between the blue and the orange, and here I have an intersection, and even here, okay, there is an intersection between them. So at which quadrant do they meet? They will meet here and here and here.
طبعا كل ساعة طلعني طببني اعذروني يعني.
حبيبي أمرني.
ماكو شيء بس دا اقول لك كل ساعة طببني وطلعني الزوم. ماكو اشكال يعني بس هيك.
طيب احنا كده جمعنا ان في 3 plans، ان في 3 quadrant حاصل فيهم السولوشن. So I have the first quadrant and the second quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So the answer will be, D. The first and the second and the fourth. Clear? Any questions? Any questions?
No.
بس سؤال واحد شو اسمه what does he mean by which quadrant contains solution to the system? What does he mean يعني بس
اوكي يا خطاب I have the first inequality هي موجودة صح؟ I draw the line.
تمام.
The line is falling
حلو.
down. Let us draw here on this one.
تمام.
The line is falling down
يلا.
and it will cut the y-axis at +1, and this is the +1, okay? This point. And the line is falling down, okay?
Yes.
Okay. What is the meaning of?
Yes.
What
Okay.
is the meaning of y greater than?
Y greater than يعني
all the region above the line, not below the line. Right?
Okay. تمام. يا فاهم عليك.
So
okay.
all of this region will be included with me.
حلو.
For the first one, okay?
تمام.
Top the other one, I have to draw the other one. This line, okay? So this line is going upward, and the y-intercept is -3.
Yeah.
So going upward and the y-intercept, this is the -3, and it's going up
حلو.
like this. This is the line, right?
Okay.
Okay. What is the meaning of y is greater than?
معناه انه الجهه اللي صار على
above the
اليسار
line, all the region above the line, صح?
Yeah.
Okay. All the region above the line here, صح?
تمام.
All of this. And
yes.
here also. And here also.
Including
right?
the yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
But you will find that all of the region above the line like here, okay? But you will find they will intersect as areas in some common between them, right?
Okay. اللي هو شنو الكومن؟
The common area, what is the common area? This area.
Quadrant, whatever it is.
This area.
Keyword.
This area.
Okay, so
is the common area, right?
But how does D the question? I just I see three coordinates whatever. يعني the question.
He is asking
solution.
where the solution will be. What quadrant will be the solution?
مم.
أنا عندي 4 quadrant. I have 4 quadrants.
صح.
Okay.
نعم.
The first and the second and the third and the fourth. He is asking me, the solution will be at what quadrant? Here, this point, this part will be in quadrant 2. And this part will be in quadrant 1.
1.
And this
Yes.
small part will be in quadrant
sorry
4.
اوكي ما شفت تكملة الجواب اوكي I get you.
تمام. Any questions
تمام.
يا شباب؟
No, thank you. Good.
Great. Another word problem. And the word problem in the inequalities, it's related, remember, it's related to the how to convert the words into math, into algebra. طيب. Ecologists have determined that the number of frogs, y, so this will be y will related to, will determine me, the number of frogs inside the equations that I will write. So y must be greater than or equal. Stop. Y must be greater than or equals to what? To 3 times. To 3 times what? I don't know. The number of snakes, x, which related to x. Okay? Do you need me to repeat again this?
No.
Zena, Yasmin, Doha, do you need me to repeat this again?
No.
No need.
Okay? So he is telling me the story and I'm going to convert this story into algebra. You say that I have frogs. Okay, which is y. Must be greater than. I know that this is the greater than sign. Or equal. Okay, this is or equal. To 3 times. To 3 times. Which is 3 times a number. I don't know what it is. Then the number of snakes, which is x. So y is greater than or equal 3x. Okay? For a healthy ecosystem to be maintained in a particular forest. In addition, the number of frogs, wait a moment. What is the number of frogs related to?
Why?
Exactly. The number of frogs and the number of snakes. يبقى the number of frogs, which is y, and the number of snakes, which is x, must sum, which means y plus x. At least. What is the meaning of at least?
The minimum.
The minimum.
The minimum. So it's mean the minimum. But here in mathematics, it means greater than or equals. At least, no, sorry. Wait a second, because I have a problem here in the laptop.
أستاذي.
Yes.
حب شبيك.
اوكي. يلا بينا معلش. اللابتوب التاني
يلا
كان بيخرف. اوكي. يلا بينا. حلو. انت بتقول لي هنا at least. So the sum must be greater than or smaller than. The sum must be greater than or smaller than. Please answer me. At least
Smaller.
smaller than? Are you
Really?
sure? What is the meaning of at least?
Like this sum up to 400?
Yeah, the sum must be what? Must be greater than. The minimum number is 400. Okay? But the sum must be greater than or equals to 400. Clear?
Yeah.
Clear? Hmm. Do you need to repeat again?
No.
Huh? Yeah, first of all, you are comparing between two quantities. The first quantity is frogs, and the second quantity is snakes. You relate the frogs to y variable, and you relate the snakes to x value. Okay? And then you give me the first, y must be greater than or equal to 3 times the number of snakes x, which is y greater than or equal 3x. This is the first equation. And then after this, he say, in addition, the number of frogs, which is y, and the number of snakes, which is x, must sum, which means plus, okay, to at least, so their minimum must be 400. So they are greater than or equals to 400. Which of the following system of inequalities express the condition for the healthy ecosystem? Huh? As you see here, the equation that I got, the first equation is y greater than or equal 3x. It applies here, it applies here, and it applies here. So this is wrong. Okay? And after this, I have the sum y plus x greater than or equals to 400. So it will be the answer C. Clear? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Type. After this, he's asking, what is the minimum possible number of frogs in a healthy ecosystem? Frogs related to? What is the frogs related to? Which variable?
Y.
Why?
Yeah, okay. So you need the minimum y. So you need the minimum y. Okay, perfect. So right now, you have to get the first equation. The first equation is y greater than or equal 3x. Also, you have to prepare the other equation, the second equation. What is the second equation? It's y, and then I will get the x in the other side. It will be greater than or equals. It will go to the other side by the negative sign plus 400. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So right now I'm searching for the y. Here I have y is greater than. Here I have y is greater than or equal. And here I have y is greater than also or equal. So the minimum point of y will be at equal. So I will deal with the two equations as they are like this. Y equals to 3x, and the other equation will be y equals to negative x plus 400. Clear? So the first equation, I convert it to y equals 3x because they are asking me for the minimum possible number. Minimum y. Y is any number greater than or equals to 3x. So the minimum point will be at the equal. And here also the minimum point will be at the equal. Clear? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, and after this I will have 3x equals to, I will equal the two equations. This is y and this is y. So 3x equals to negative x plus 400. Okay, and after this I will move the negative x to the other side as a positive x. 3x plus x equals to
Or
4x, which is equals to 400, which means that x is equals to
100.
100. So the answer will be
300.
جدع بختك. Perfect يا بختك. The answer is not 100 because the 100 is the minimum number of snakes, because snakes related to the x. I need the minimum number of frogs, which is y. So I will substitute with the 100 even here or there. So I will substitute here, so it will be y equals to the minimum number of frogs will be 3 multiplied by 100, which is the minimum number of frogs will be 300 frog. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Any questions here?
No.
تمام. Okay. Right now, you have the paper, right?
هذا تحت أول.
You have the paper, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Open the paper from number 1 to number 4. You have to solve this right now, okay? Within only 10 minutes. Hurry up. And you can use your calculator. Start. أنا شايفكم أهو. You are solving. يا سارة بتحلي ولا ما بتحليش؟ أنا شايفك.
I'm solving, mister.
Okay.